What's something people don't know about Positive Electricians? We're more than just a service, we're your neighbors. Here in Los Angeles, Positive Electricians is your go-to for all electrical needs, whether at home or in your business. Our team is professional, friendly, and always ready to provide top-notch service with a smile. From quick fixes to major installations, we handle it all with expertise and reliability. Plus, we're available 24/7 for emergencies, giving you peace of mind when you need it most. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about our prompt, efficient service and the positive experience we bring to every job. Need an estimate? We offer them for free. So why wait? Call Positive Electricians today and experience the power of positivity in every spark. Visit our website, positiveelectricians.com, or give us a call now at 844-411-0240. Positive Electricians, lighting up Los Angeles one home at a time. We also specialize in meter panel upgrades and EV charger installations. Call 844-411-0240. Today, special discount code, my 10% off.